In this thought-provoking video, we dive deep into the concept of climate fear and explore whether it is simply a new method for mass control. From the media's role in amplifying urgent narratives to the political implications of climate messaging, we analyze the complex interplay between fear, behavior, and economic interests. As we seek to understand the psychological impact of climate fear, we'll also discuss ways to foster hope and empower individuals through education. Join us as we navigate the intricacies of climate fear and its influence on society today. 1. Understanding climate fear. Climate fear refers to the anxiety and concern surrounding the potential impacts of climate change on our planet and future generations. This fear is often fueled by alarming headlines and dire predictions about rising sea levels, extreme weather, and the extinction of species. While it is important to be aware of environmental challenges, some argue that the extent of fear is exaggerated, creating unnecessary panic. For instance, the portrayal of catastrophic events in media can amplify public anxiety. This fear can also lead to feelings of helplessness, as individuals struggle to see how they can make a difference. It's essential to distinguish between genuine concern for the environment and fear that may be used to manipulate public opinion. 2. The role of media in amplifying climate fear. Media outlets play a significant role in shaping public perception of climate change. Dramatic headlines and images of natural disasters can create a sense of urgency and fear. While it's crucial to report on environmental issues, sensationalism can lead to distorted views. For example, reports of melting ice caps without context can lead to panic rather than informed action. The media can sometimes prioritize stories that evoke strong emotions over balanced reporting. This approach can result in a skewed understanding of climate issues, where fear overshadows facts. It's important for media consumers to critically evaluate the information they receive and seek out diverse sources. 3. Politicians and climate narrative. Politicians have a vested interest in climate narratives, as environmental policies can impact their popularity and influence. Climate fear can be used to justify policy decisions or garner support for certain initiatives. For instance, emphasizing the catastrophic consequences of inaction can rally public support for climate legislation. However, it's also possible for politicians to exploit fear for political gain, using it as a tool to manipulate public opinion. This can lead to policies that prioritize short-term political objectives over long-term environmental solutions. Citizens should remain vigilant and question the motivations behind political rhetoric on climate change. 4. Economic interests and climate messaging. Economic interests can also influence the way climate change is portrayed. Industries that stand to benefit from green technologies may promote climate fear to spur demand for their products. On the other hand, industries reliant on fossil fuels might downplay climate concerns to protect their interests. This can create conflicting narratives, leaving the public confused about the true state of the environment. It's crucial to recognize that economic motives can shape climate messaging. Consumers should critically assess the sources of information and consider potential biases when evaluating climate-related claims. 5. The impact of climate fear on behavior. Climate fear can have a profound impact on individual behavior and decision-making. While fear can motivate positive actions, such as reducing carbon footprints or advocating for sustainable practices, it can also lead to paralysis. When people feel overwhelmed by the magnitude of the problem, they may become indifferent or disengage altogether. This phenomenon is known as climate fatigue, where constant exposure to negative news diminishes the urgency to act. It's important to balance awareness with empowerment, encouraging individuals to take meaningful steps without succumbing to fear. 6. Balancing fear with hope. While fear can be a powerful motivator, hope is equally important in driving change. Highlighting success stories and positive developments in environmental efforts can inspire action. For instance, showcasing advancements in renewable energy or successful conservation projects can provide a sense of possibility. By focusing on solutions rather than solely on problems, individuals can feel more empowered to contribute to positive change. It's crucial to foster a narrative that balances fear with hope, emphasizing that individual actions can collectively make a significant impact. 7. Education as a tool for empowerment. Education plays a vital role in addressing climate fear and promoting informed action. By providing accurate and accessible information, people can better understand the complexities of climate change. Educational initiatives can equip individuals with the knowledge and tools needed to make sustainable choices. For example, workshops on energy efficiency or sustainable agriculture can empower communities to take proactive steps. Education can also help dispel myths and misconceptions, fostering a more nuanced understanding of climate issues. Ultimately, informed citizens are better equipped to engage in meaningful dialogue and advocate for effective solutions. 8. Conclusion. Navigating climate fear. Navigating climate fear requires a balanced approach that acknowledges genuine concerns while avoiding unnecessary panic. It's essential to critically evaluate information and consider the motivations behind climate narratives. By fostering a sense of hope and empowerment, individuals can take meaningful actions to address environmental challenges. Education and informed discussion are key to building a sustainable future, where fear is not a tool for control, but a catalyst for positive change.